Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a Face ID test, and I'll tell you how to register your Face ID in the Realme X2 device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting reviews, and do check the links in the description guys for the playlist of Realme X2 device. So I've done a lot of reviews and a lot of tests on the Realme X2 phone, a lot of display comparison between all the smartphones background, and do also participate in the channel community channel post as well, so which I created just now. So I got the pretty much long time for the Christmas holidays, so I decided to do so many videos as much as possible during this time. So I got all the phones available right now with me, and just you need to comment below guys what is your device and what review you want me to do. For example, you can ask me the Realme X2 with a Fortnite gameplay test, you can just comment below, or Realme X with the after long time of usage, or Redmi Note 8 Pro with a PUBG gameplay after long time with the temperature heating or something like that. You can just comment below guys, below this post. And now let me show you exactly what variant I am using in this video, and then I'll get back to you how to register the Face ID. So as you can see, the Realme X2 device, so which has a 8GB and 128GB variant and 730G processor. So first you need to go to the settings and Face ID. So before enrolling the Face ID, you need to create the 6-digit password. So let me try to create the password. So once you are done, now you can scan your face right now. So let me try scanning my face. So as you can see guys, the face scanning is pretty fast, and it will ask you to this kind of question, turning on rise to turn on the screen. This is very useful guys, because whenever you take out the phone from your pocket, the screen automatically turns on and the Face ID scans your face. So this is a faster way to unlock your device. Even when your device is on the table and if you're just picking up, the screen automatically turns on and it will scan your face. So this is a faster way to scan the Face ID and to unlock the device, and definitely interested to turn on that one. So you need to turn on, so don't forget that. And then you need to select this kind of feature directly with your face. So if you use this option swiping up, so every time if you power on the device, you need to swipe up to unlock the phone. For example, let's see, as you can see, you need to swipe up to open. So I don't want that thing to happen, so directly with your face. So as soon as it scans your face, it opens directly straight away. So next option you need to enable is this one, brightness compensation. So under the dim condition, the screen brightness automatically will increase to recognize your face. So that's a very good thing, you can enable that one. And next is that you need to enable this option guys. So the Realme X2 can also recognize your face even when your eyes are closed. So this is a little bit of disadvantage because when you are sleeping, your friends can use your device just by unlocking the phone by scanning your face. So even when your eyes are closed, so if you don't want that kind of spying on you from your friends, then you need to enable this feature. Definitely don't forget that when you register the Face ID. So these are the 3 things you must enable to experience very faster Face ID scanning in the Realme X2 device. So first brightness, then directly with your face instead of swiping up, and then you need to enable this fail when your eyes are closed. So these are the faster way to unlock your device guys. As you can see, it's pretty faster. As soon as you power on the phone, it scans your face and unlocks the device. That's very good thing. Even when you raise your device from the table as well, as you can see, without even pressing the power button. So that's it guys, this is a quick review of the Face ID in the Realme X2 and how fast it is. So it is very fast, so there is no problem at all. So see you in the next video guys. Again, I will be back with the fingerprint review as well. So stay tuned for more videos to the SciTech Guru channel. See you in the next video. Bye.